Here's my beanie eating in his cute little area that I set up for him on my desk. And just wanted you to see how happy he is here. And I have on our sun lamp for extra light. It doesn't put out heat, but it puts out a lot of nice light, and it helps with pictures. It's amazing for that. Yeah, he has 2 mirrors. Look. And he loves this little penguin toy. It's his friend. Here, Beanie, yes. Oh, how cute. Yes. Oh, I can see my fingers in the mirror. Turn this way a little. There, Beanie. There. Yeah. Whoop. There, pretty bird. Look at how pretty you look. Yes, pretty beanie. Okay, we'll say goodbye for now.